Every October, Camp celebrates Manufacturing Day by highlighting the incredible contributions of our members and their commitment to inspiring the next generation of manufacturing leaders. Out of the Box Manufacturing, located right here in Washington State, is opening its doors to showcase the fast paced world of electronics manufacturing. With PCB assembly and a focus on collaboration and innovation, they are sharing what modern manufacturing looks like. Qual-Fab is giving students and community members an inside look at advanced metal fabrication. Their commitment to quality and craftsmanship highlights the incredible skill and dedication behind every product they create. Skills Inc., a unique social enterprise in Washington, is inviting the community to explore their inclusive approach to aerospace manufacturing. By providing meaningful employment opportunities for individuals with disabilities, Skills Inc. demonstrates how diversity and innovation work hand in hand to produce high-quality aerospace parts and services. Their commitment to workforce development is inspiring and impactful. The Advanced Manufacturing Skills Center at Edmonds College and Clover Park Technical College is dedicated to equipping the next generation with the training and skills they need to thrive in manufacturing. By hosting tours and interactive workshops, the Advanced Manufacturing Skills Center and Clover Park Technical College are helping students explore the many opportunities available in this high-tech, rewarding field on Manufacturing Day. At Camps, we are proud to support our members in inspiring the future of manufacturing. This Manufacturing Day, join us in celebrating the innovative spirit and skilled talent that keep our industry moving forward. Join the manufacturing community at camps-us.com.